You'll find Wombats City Hostel Berlin just 10 minutes walk from transport hub Alexanderplatz, or Alex, as it's called by the locals. Get your hands on a welcome drink and fresh bed linen, even if you're arriving late, at our 24-hour reception. First stop, our rooftop bar for a sundowner and a chat with fellow travelers. Can't you wait to get exploring? Ask one of our friendly staff members for our self-made city map, with all of Berlin's best bits. There is free Wi-Fi in reception too, so you can keep people at home updated on your adventures. Location a hostel puts you right in the heart of the Mitte district, which is known for its buzzy vibe. Update your travel wardrobe at the nearby ultra-cool fashion boutiques, and learn about Berlin's history at the Brandenburg Gate. Bit of a culture vulture. Take the 20-minute stroll to Museum Island. You can add a bit of local flavor to tonight's dinner and impress your new travel friends with budget-friendly ingredients from the farmers market at Leopoldplatz. Rooms and dorms. We have rooms to suit everyone, from apartments with a separate double bedroom, private kitchen and living room, to female-only and mixed dorms. If you're traveling with your best mate or in a couple, pick a private double or twin. Every room has an ensuite, so you're free to leave out your toothbrush and toiletries. Our rooms are spotless. You're looking at the two-time Cleanest Hostel Award winner. Access to the front door, your room and personal luggage locker is all done with a handy keycard, keeping things simple. Extras and activities for fun up the backpack at our self-service laundromat. No one likes their free socks. While you're waiting for the cycle to finish, help yourself to some free pasta in the guest kitchen. Each morning you can fuel up with an all-you-can-eat breakfast buffet to keep you going until your lunchtime bratwurst. After a long day, rest your tired legs at our 7th floor bar. Wallet-friendly happy hour specials await.